Manufacturers love talking about automation. They talk about speed, efficiency, and robots that can work 24 hours a day. But they rarely talk about who has to clean it, refill it, maintain it, and keep it running every single day. And that's exactly why this coffee robot caught my attention. If you follow this channel, you already know that in my live coverage from technology events in Barcelona, I've shown many robotic systems before. But this time, I wanted to take a closer look at Hi-Dolphin, the company behind the COFE Plus robotic coffee kiosk. At first, most people see something impressive. A robot preparing cappuccinos, flavored lattes, iced coffees, and premium drinks without a barista. And according to public information, one refill can produce around 300 drinks. But coming from an industrial maintenance background, I see something else. Because this machine still needs people. Someone has to refill the coffee beans, the milk, the cups, and all the ingredients. Someone has to clean filters, remove waste, check pumps, sensors, and make sure the machine stays available day and night. So, the real question is not whether the robot can make coffee. The real question is, where does this business model actually work? In places like Spain or Italy, where coffee is often quick, simple, and affordable, I think it could be harder to scale. But in markets like the United States, the United Kingdom, or Northern Europe, where premium coffee drinks have higher margins, this could make a lot of sense. And Hi-Dolphin is not alone. Companies like Cafe X are also pushing this market. So I'm curious, would you invest in a business like this? And are robots replacing baristas or creating a new generation of technical jobs? If you enjoy real-world automation and business technology, subscribe to PatSci Technology.